With the scorching summer heat just around the corner, it's time to talk about prepping your HVAC system to keep your home cool and comfortable all season long. Today, we're going to share some essential tips to get your HVAC system ready for the upcoming heat wave. First things first, schedule a maintenance checkup with a professional HVAC technician. They'll inspect your system, clean the filters, check for any leaks, and ensure everything is running smoothly. Trust me, this small investment can save you from bigger headaches down the road. Regular maintenance not only improves the efficiency of your system, but also prolongs its lifespan, saving you money in the long run. Next, let's talk about your thermostat. Consider upgrading to a programmable or smart thermostat if you haven't already. These devices allow you to set customized schedules, optimizing energy usage and keeping your home comfortable when you need it most. With the sweltering temperatures in the Coachella Valley, every degree matters when it comes to your energy bill. Another crucial step is to check and seal any leaks in your ductwork. Leaky ducts can significantly reduce the efficiency of your HVAC system, leading to wasted energy and higher utility bills. Simply sealing these leaks can improve airflow and ensure that cool air reaches every corner of your home, keeping you comfortable even on the hottest days. Last, don't forget about your outdoor unit. Clear away any debris, such as leaves or branches, that may be blocking airflow. It's also a good idea to trim any vegetation around the unit to ensure proper ventilation. By keeping your outdoor unit clean and unobstructed, you'll help your HVAC system operate more efficiently, saving you money on energy costs. Well, there you have it. With these simple tips, you can ensure that your HVAC system is ready to tackle the brutal summer heat here in the Coachella Valley. And remember, if you need any help with your HVAC system, whether it's maintenance, repairs, or even an upgrade, don't hesitate to contact Anthem. Our team of experts is here to keep you cool and comfortable all summer long. Thanks for watching, and stay cool out there.